Hello everyone, this week we're on a new construction site which makes our job a little bit easier. There's nothing to go over, there's nothing to tear off, we just have a nice clean roof. And it all starts with laying out the insulation. And once our insulation is all laid out, we are ready for membrane, and it starts with snapping lines. There are lots of ways to attach TPO membrane to the roof. On this job, the architect specified mechanical attachment, also known as screws. One of the harder parts of the job is getting around penetrations like pipes. As you can see, this one starts out rough, but when it's finished, it looks pretty darn good. Now, to get a continuous membrane, we have to weld the seams, and that starts with tack welding them, then cleaning the seams real well, and then running the robot welder to give us that manufacturer perfect seam. Oddly shaped objects on the roof are field wrapped with membrane. That means a custom cut and wrap to keep it watertight. Here, Matt is wrapping a furnace chimney, also known as a B-vent. And once our guys get into a groove, it's just lather, rinse, and repeat for the rest of the roof. And after all that work, this customer has a brand new, reliable roof over its new convenience store.